guys, my name is April Koenig, and I just wanted to share a little bit of my wellness journey with you guys today. So, see, currently I'm a registered nurse, I'm a farmer, I am a mom, a homeschooling mom, and I am a leader with Young Living Essential Oils, teaching others how to use them also. So how did I get here, right? So I went to nursing school and became a nurse because I wanted to help people feel better and to be healthier. And I quickly realized that in my nursing role, I was not doing that. I was helping people feel better temporarily, and we were band-aiding things, and we weren't addressing bigger issues like lifestyle things and diet and activity and all of those things. They just kept coming back, and it was really frustrating, and it was emotionally exhausting. So I felt like I had to do something different, or I had to get away from nursing altogether. And about 5 years ago, I was working at a military hospital, and we lived overseas, and I was working with a lot of patients with chronic pain, PTSD, TBI, back injuries, things like that. And so it allowed me to work with this pain specialist pretty closely. And she was super smart. She was doing crazy weird things with her patients, like teaching them Tai Chi, treating them with acupuncture, teaching them meditation, teaching them how to do self-help acupressure like on their hands so that they could take control of their health on their own and not be reliant on medications and other, like surgical interventions and things, right? And it was really impressive because they were getting results. At the same time, I was walking this wellness journey with my family, and we were cleaning up our food because we realized that eating processed, junky stuff didn't make us feel good. We also had learned and realized that our industrial agriculture system was not so great and wasn't doing much for our planet or our health, and we needed to do better. So we were doing that. Food, great. We also, being eco-minded, we started cloth diapering our second son, and that was a lot of fun. It was cool. The diapers looked cute and all that good stuff. But here's the thing with cloth diapers. You need them to absorb the pee so that it's not sitting against your baby and it's not floating out the legs, right? And it turns out, I didn't know anything about cloth diapers, so I'm in these mommy Facebook groups about cloth diapering. And it turns out that you have to use special detergent to wash your diapers because otherwise they create a barrier that makes the diapers not absorb. And that really defeats the purpose of a diaper if it's like floating out and making a big old mess instead of getting absorbed into the diaper, right? So a lot of them were doing DIY laundry detergents with just a few simple ingredients. It washed out better, it didn't create that barrier, and they were using essential oils to increase the cleaning effects of the laundry detergent and to keep the diapers smelling nice. I noticed other moms saying that they were using the same essential oils in their diaper pails, in their cloth wipe solutions, in their cleaning products, and so many more things. And they said that they were better alternatives to the products at the grocery stores because, one, they were less expensive, and two, they didn't include harmful ingredients like the commercially available products. And I said, what? What do you mean there's harmful ingredients in our commercially available products? Like cleaning and personal care products are full of stuff? Like, they're at the store. I had no idea, right? So here I was using this like 2-in-1 strawberry scented shampoo and body wash for my kids, basic face wash for myself, common cleaning products that required me to keep my cabinet under the sink locked and to tell my children not to go into their bathroom for a while after I finished cleaning so that the fumes wouldn't make them cough. I didn't know any better, you guys. And ever the skeptic on this Facebook group, I went and did my own independent research. I wasn't just going to take these other moms' word for it that essential oils were like amazing, right? So it turns out that they were telling the truth. These products at the stores are kind of full, they are full of stuff that's not good for us, you guys. And I was really angry and I was frustrated and I felt completely betrayed because why would they lie? Why would they include products that are harmful if there were safer options? How dare they, right? So how they use harmful ingredients and then they advertise them as free and clear and baby gentle and skin so soft and all these other things, right? I was like angry. So if these other moms were telling the truth and essential oils were a good alternative, I wanted to learn which ones I should use for which things and where I could get essential oils. Luckily for me, a blogger who I followed was doing an email series. I had started following her for like cleaner eating and then greener living tips, and she had put out this email series on essential oils. And so I signed up for her email course, and I was like introduced to the basic essential oils like lemon and peppermint and lavender and all of these things, right? And I learned that all essential oils aren't created equal. And there are some out there, believe it or not, a lot of companies actually, that use synthetic fragrances and call them essential oils. That's really gross. And it kind of defeats the purpose when you're looking for clean, healthy options to use something that's still a synthetic fragrance. And so that's how I found Young Living Essential Oils, because this email series introduced me to them and their practices. They've been around for 23 plus years now, doing this, owning their farms, creating high quality products. And now I have a whole collection of essential oils, natural supplements, Ningxia Red, cleaning products. I use these things for way more than cloth diapers, which is a good thing because we grew out of those. He's almost 6. And we use them to make things like our cleaning products, our body wash, our deodorant, lots of practical things. We also use them for emotional support. They help keep us healthy in the winter. They help keep us active and our muscles happy and healthy. For sleep, we use them for digestive support. And basically, guys, like everything. It's pretty impressive how much you can get out of these little bottles of awesomeness. And they've become such a huge integral part of our journey. So I'm so grateful that my own wellness journey led me to here, because now I get to combine my passion and my knowledge of holistic wellness with my background in nursing and help others along their own wellness journey, while I'm creating financial freedom for my family to do cool, awesome things in our community, like help people eat healthier. So just because I'm doing this business with Young Living and because I'm helping others, and it's helping our family stay healthy, we're helping other families get healthy, and we're helping ourselves and other families work towards financial freedom. And it is really awesome, you guys. You know that saying that says, if you do what you love, you'll never work a day in your life? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's right, because when I get messages from my team telling me how they use DiGize after dinner when their stomach was really upset, and they took a little drop and used the DiGize Vitality under their tongue and their tummy settled, or that they used lavender and cedar in their diffuser last night and their baby slept, you know, their toddler who like never goes to sleep slept all night. When they are telling me those stories about how these oils are helping them, I am blown away, I am invigorated, and I am just like supercharged to keep going. And I mean, it just never feels like work. It just feels awesome and amazing. And I would love nothing more than to walk with you along your wellness journey. So thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.